So, I want to talk to you about the benefits of meditation. There are many benefits, and let's review them from the lens of like beginner, intermediate, or advanced. So, if you're a beginner, that means you have very limited meditation, you don't have a regular practice, and you're wondering, why should I want to meditate? How's this going to help me? First, it's going to teach you how to still your mind. So, for most of us in this ultra busy life, our minds are very busy and it can drive us a little crazy. We want to become aware of what's happening in the moment. And the moment is hard to feel when our minds are in 100 other directions. When we can be in the moment, then we can feel our body and we can feel in our body what might be closed or stuck. And within what's closed or stuck, we might be able to feel tensions, aches, and within those tensions or aches, we could feel feelings that we may have inconveniently swept under the rug, or we could see images, and we can learn to sense what they have to say to us. And this process of learning to be still, arriving in the moment, feeling where your body's stuck, and then learning how to work with it so it can become unstuck, that's all part of learning to hold space for yourself in a new way. And that brings you to the benefits for intermediate meditators. Meeting yourself as you truly are, not as you wish to be, not as you perceive other people wish you to be, but just as you are. So you can practice self acceptance. Most of us don't really accept ourselves as much as would be optimal, so we have to practice it. And why would we want to do that? Because it brings us more ease, more space, less reactivity. And when you have more space, you're going to be more connected to your inner sense of what you need in any particular moment. It'll help you grow your intuition, and you're going to make better decisions that work better for you and for your body and for your relationships. And as the space comes to you, you're going to see your pain and your circumstances through a new lens. The things that are troubling you right now or limiting in your life, they're going to look a little different, and you're going to see some choices that you don't see right now. You'll continue to cultivate self-compassion. You'll find more balance. You'll be more resilient in your body and in your emotional world. And you'll be more capable of creating more authentic and meaningful relationships. Then, if you really continue and make a big commitment to it, you'll be able to access and process emotional material through your body. You'll be able to release suppressed emotions, which I have found are at the root of so many chronic ailments. And you'll start feeling more free and whole. People who really commit to a meditation practice and do the inner work, not just of stilling the mind, let's be clear, because this process, as I'm describing it, is a kind of meditation that I teach, which is different than the detached, just let things be as they are. I'm actually using a process where we still the mind and then we go in through tensions in the body to learn how to be present with ourselves in a way that likely no one was present with us at other times in our life. And as a result, we're going to become our own best therapist, our own best parent, our own best nurturing support. And that starts to bring in some really radical healing, physically releasing chronic disease, pain, and anxiety, and emotionally releasing past trauma and bad relationships. And then the best part is once you really know how to do that inner work and you can be free within yourself, then you can start using your meditation practice for future manifestation to attract the life that you want to be living. So you can create that in your meditation practice and watch it unfold in your life. One more thing to tell you. Meditation is the vehicle. It's not actually the solution. So I think that's where people sometimes give up on it. They think that the meditation itself is like going to completely change your life. No, the meditation is going to bring you to what needs to be loved back to wholeness within you. And that is going to change your life.